This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
An eclipse is an astronomical event that happens when an object gets between two astronomical objects and casts its shadow on one of them. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon gets between the sun and the earth, blocking light from getting to the earth. A lunar eclipse occurs when the moon moves into the shadow created because the earth is blocking the sunlight from reaching the moon. There are two shadows inside the moon, one of which is a narrow cone tapering to a point from the moon. If a person is physically anywhere inside this cone, the moon seems to be large enough to block the sun, meaning that the shadow is very dark, and it is referred to as the umbra. Outside the umbra, there is the penumbra, a wider conical area where the sun is seen as partially blocked when observed from that region. The moon can be smaller than the sun in the sky if a solar eclipse happens when the moon appears to be at the far end of its orbit. However, during the eclipses, totality is brief because the sun and the moon are nearly of the same apparent size. It is not recommended to look directly at the eclipse because it can seriously damage the eyes. The difference between solar and lunar eclipse is that solar eclipse is only localized in one spot, and only the locals can see the eclipse. The lunar eclipse is visible to anyone on Earth who can see the moon. Each year, the moon moves away from the Earth by 4 centimeters due to tides from the planet. As it moves away, it slowly becomes smaller in the sky. This implies that it will be too far away to cover the sun in time altogether, and there will be no more total eclipses. If you want to find more works like this essay on solar and lunar eclipses, comparative analysis, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects.